LD pills for plants. Surprising growth or hidden danger. Hello to all plant and nature lovers. Today, we're going to talk about something interesting, and maybe a little strange, the effect of LD birth control pills on houseplants. You might have seen people dropping LD low-dose birth control pills into their plant pots, claiming it helps the plant grow faster and bloom more beautifully. But is that really true? Or is it just another myth? Can LD pills be used as fertilizer for faster plant growth? The question might sound a bit strange, but yes, you can actually use birth control pills, specifically LD pills, as a type of fertilizer for your plants. According to various studies, birth control pills that contain hormones like estrogen or oxytocin may help stimulate the production of growth hormones in plants, potentially supporting their development. LD pills as plant fertilizer. Many people initially believe that using birth control pills as fertilizer for plants isn't an effective method. However, it's worth noting that these pills can actually help houseplants grow faster and healthier. That said, it's best not to use LD pills as fertilizer for outdoor garden plants, as their effects on such plants are usually minimal and not very noticeable. How to use LD pills as fertilizer for houseplants. Method 1. Every 2 to 3 months, you can add a few birth control pills to the soil of your houseplants. These pills can act similarly to a mild fertilizer, providing a gentle boost to the plant's growth. To apply this method, simply place one pill directly into the soil, preferably close to the plant's roots. Make sure to water your plant regularly, as this helps dissolve the pill and distribute the nutrients more effectively. Keep in mind that it may take up to a month to start noticing visible changes in the plant's growth from using this method. Method 2. Another way to use LD pills is to dissolve them in the water you use for watering your plants. To do this, dissolve one birth control pill in 1 liter of water and let it sit overnight. The next day, you can use this mixture to water your houseplants as you normally would. Although this type of fertilizer is somewhat unconventional, many people report noticing visible growth improvements in their plants after a short period of use. However, not all plants should be exposed to hormonal substances. Using LD pills can be harmful to some plant species. So before trying this method, make sure your specific houseplant is safe to be fertilized with hormone-based additives. Frequently asked questions: the effect of LD pills on houseplants. Is using birth control pills LD pills as fertilizer enough for plant growth? If you're using LD pills as a fertilizer, keep in mind that they only help stimulate plant growth. They do not provide all the essential nutrients plants need. Therefore, it's recommended to occasionally use a proper, nutrient-rich fertilizer alongside the pills for balanced plant health. How can LD pills help with plant growth? Due to the presence of hormones like estrogen and oxytocin in LD pills, they can have a positive effect on the faster growth of many houseplants. Will using LD pills more frequently result in better plant growth? No. It's important to note that overusing these pills will not improve plant growth and can actually harm your plant. Always use them in moderation and only as a supplement to your regular plant care routine. Ready to boost your houseplants the smart way? Try one of these natural methods and let your plants thrive. Have you ever used pills like LD or aspirin on your plants? Share your experience in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more surprising plant care tips.